大家好，我哋有99分鐘59秒，睇下我有幾耐先可以寫完。
澳門公民身份證嘅有大概75萬人，難以估算有幾多人被剔除參選資格。有澳門嘅立法會議員質疑偵測成效。
表面上而家可能所謂減省咗啲，但減省咗好多唔知，都用到喺民生以政府今日嘅當前嘅施政構圖度態度，我哋都同大家都係查實佢個社會爭議。
佢話澳門政府要將來喺大灣區內嘅城市嗰度做生意或者自雇嘅人係咪獲豁免？又話當局應該思考。
我俾你哋睇下。
無線電視記者鍾卓基報道。
新一期居屋開始揀樓，首次加入家有初生優先揀樓。近期居屋
我寫咗7+5等於10。
3個項目都喺市區，分別係啟德啟盈苑、油塘高興苑同埋觀塘安柏苑。另外兩個就喺東涌
然之後我而家已經用咗20秒、24秒啦，而家我而家要快少少，同埋
最大面積488尺嘅單位。一開始都有排定咗成100個順次序啦，都可以揀到比較靠前，即係自己心水嘅項目。
睇陣啊，
可
能呢個唔會1個鐘咁啊！嚇，我話俾你聽，我有幾多？2張、3張、4張，我4張啊！所以你起碼俾30分鐘，可能30分鐘短片。And please subscribe。
本港第一隻伊斯蘭債券買賣基金今日掛牌，財政司司長陳茂波期望進一步擴大同中東市場嘅聯繫。
對唔住啊，對唔住。
本港第一隻伊斯蘭債券交易所買賣基金 ETF 第一日掛牌，財政司司長陳茂波話：伊斯蘭金融市場潛力龐大，期望提供一系列符合佢哋嘅宗教同監管要求嘅產品。
小同5，但係成日咧就落小狗係3隻啊，唔係一隻嘅人。
I think we can share the experience of the economic arrangements that Hong Kong has with the mainland. In particular, the government is taking a very proactive and conducive attitude in terms of policy facilitation. I think we can explore more different options.
美國法院頒令暫停執行特朗普部分
不知Pacific 都真係可以，我要記得都 for real，I'm gonna kiss you for real. Don't you want me? Don't you, baby? Don't you need another need you now? Speak tomorrow so that I go crazy. All you gonna do is meet me at the Kissy face 真的好可以，我一個人真的好有Don't you want me? Don't you, baby? Don't you need you now? Speak tomorrow so that I go crazy. All you gonna do is meet me at the Hold on, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. And I just do this one, bye-bye. But not yet, I still need to do my work. 俾我30分鐘 30分鐘，30 minutes， 30分鐘。
Shielding Chinese chipmakers from U.S. competition only strengthens them abroad.
你看這個是誰？
Export restrictions
想
obscure
看
China's
啊！
innovation and scale. The AI race
仲好停啊！你肯定有望過一次，你肯定有我望過，你有 like my videos. It just you like two and then I just close the put in my butt and I eat the app. It's very yummy. What?
已經轉向
跟住
華為採
採
購晶
落
片技術嘅戰略價值。另外，英國《金融時報》報導，美國商務部去信佢哋停止
我咪聽下呢啲嘢啊！
產品。美國商務部旗下嘅工業與安全局
To make my
本月
grandma
早啲嘅時候曾經係
My
警告，
grandma
使用華為升騰人工智能晶片機構可能面臨執行行動。無線電視記者陳潔貞報導。另外，美國國際貿易法院裁定，總統特朗普向多個國家同地區徵收對等關稅嘅做法係越權，頒令暫停執行大部分措施。特朗普仲保隨即上訴，中方就要求美方徹底取消單邊加徵關稅嘅錯誤做法。美國總統特朗普上個月2號
There's maybe a lot of songs, like 100 or 1,000.
過百個國家同埋地區加徵關稅，或可一係解放日，引發多國反制。佢指
Rock-a-bye, baby.